What I'm going to be doing today is swapping out these panels. This panel is fully capable of handling everything it just does. I just didn't change it over whenever I bought it. It's going to take some more wiring. It's going to take some work. I got to get all these connectors off, make sure the power is shut off. I'm going to have to take this cover off. And then take this one off. Take this panel cover off. I think it's only three screws holding this on. And then see if I can transfer everything over. This is a 5/16 socket. If the power comes in through here, goes back up through here to there and then out. That's 240. We got some bees living in here. They're not dead, I don't think. No, they're alive. And they're not happy. But it's time to be evicted. Coming to sting me. Sorry, bees. Guarding your little nest. Get out of there. Come back and sting me. Have some problems. So I got to go find the power switch, or circuit breaker, and then I'll be back. I think I got all the power turned off. We'll find out. It's a big circuit. 9 thousandths, 10 thousandths of a volt. Okay, take this cover off. That's a big boy. Nothing. So that's off. This breaker off of here. Try it on this box. See if it's the same. Seems to fit, so that's good. There we go. Take this big 20 amper out of there. See if that'll fit into here. Yep, there we go. And I can't get this off yet until I get this wire out of here. Tape on this wire. Just going to try to move this out of the way. Remember, red's on the right, black's on the left. Okay, I found some bits. Looks like I have a couple squares. See which one actually working there. There we go. Definitely didn't have to worry about that coming off. we go. And I just got to get the new one connected up on there. A couple things I have to disconnect from here. You can probably reuse this piece of wire. I need another breaker. Okay, I've got a small screwdriver. It's loose. That one's loose. Loose. This. I'm gonna take the door off. There you go. Okay, that's off. I just gotta get her up on there. I picked up this adapter so I can get this to fit in the bottom of the panel box. It's gonna go over top of here and then it'll go up into the bottom of the box. So I'm gonna go and glue these two pieces together and then test fit it on there. Okay, I got the box on there. I got 3 screws up in the top, or 2 screws up in the top. I'm going to put 2 in the bottom. It is pretty darn close to level. You can see that. And I'm going to put the caps on down here in the bottom, and then start wiring everything back up. Line in is going to be here and here. Load out is here and here. This is a relay for the pull pump. And I'm going to have to punch this one out and run the power for the pump up in there. So I load out one of them. Okay, they should be good. And I'm gonna have to knock this out. Let's see what's involved in getting this out. Looks like it's partially knocked out already. It says use a 3/16 drill bit to drill out the holes for the GFI. Okay, I got sensors hooked up here, GFI hooked up, line going to the pump hooked up, filter pump, whatever, relay. That should plug in. Yeah. Right. Okay. Guess I'll put the door on. Put the cover on. So I'm gonna go get the pump and bring that out a while. Well, I decided to go and put the cover on anyways. So I got all the knockouts off. Here's our pull pump. This is the pull lights, and that should be the GFI, and this is the power for the control panel. Here's our new pump. Variable speed pump. Came with some Teflon tape, it looks like, to seal up the fittings. This is an adapter from 2 to 1.5 inches, because my original pipe should be 1.5 inches. which it is. I'm going to go and tighten this up now. Oh, slide this out a little bit if I can. And that's pretty tight. I don't want to get super tight. See how close we are. Pretty close. It's on there pretty good. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna hook up the power yet. I'm going to install some pipe tape on here, keep any moisture from getting inside. I'm going to slide this in through here. Okay. Put this on. Tighten this down. Okay, I've got both the hot wires hooked up. Move them down, out of the way. I'm going to hook the ground wire up on top of here. I'm going to cut this connector off. So I don't like it the way it looks, the way it feels. It feels a little loose. That should be good. Okay, controller's there. Everything should be connected. I know this is not code, but this is just a temporary hookup. I've got a ground wire running up to the motor. Should be sufficient for now until I get back over to Lowe's and get a piece for here and then a piece of wire to run up to it. Now, if everything is connected properly, when I turn this on, it should energize the control panel. There we go. Okay, control panel's on. Full spotlight is on. This will be pump and filter. Priming. Well, that's tighter. Let's see if it leaks. Zoom. Stay leaking. Got the leak stopped up here, and it's leaking a little bit right here yet. I'll have to see if I can tighten that down. But other than that, everything seems to be working. So I should do it. Just got to fix up this yet. Do it. Well, that'll do it for installing the replacement pool pump, filter pump on my pool, of course. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.